Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create new channels on Telegram. But first I wanted to say that don't forget to subscribe, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my YouTube revenue statistics. So let's start. First, open the Telegram app. After that, click on the pencil. Right now I'm clicking on the not now, but here you should see all your contacts on Telegram, and you can see that at the top here is the new channel option. Click on that, and here you can type in your channel's name and the short description for your channel, and you can add photo as well. Alright, so and you can add some emojis as well. Alright, but if you do not know what is a channel in Telegram, it's a tool for broadcasting your public messages to large audiences. They offer a unique opportunity to reach people directly, sending a notification to their phones with each post. And Telegram channels can have an unlimited amount of subscribers, and only admins have the right to post. Unlike Telegram groups, channels show the name and photo of the channel next to messages instead of the person who posted them. So this is shortly what is Telegram channels are. So yeah, this is for this video. I hope that it was helpful for you. See you in the next one. Bye bye.